Wow, listen to that. Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. I'm gonna take this lid off in a second, everyone. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, man, so the pumpkin is cooking and softening up. I'm gonna add in, yeah, man, look at this, everybody. So I'm gonna add in the corn, you know. Whoa, yo, good vibes, this.
Fire blaze, you know, Ringo?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Fire blaze under the pot there.
Oh, yeah, man, look at this. Ah, look. So we're getting
Ringo,
there.
We have to tell the people that it's not a pop-up thing.
It's not a, no, we have to fix, we have to put it.
Survive with the ital, but still, people, whatever you are eat, just try eat healthy and a full diet. So even if you eat the meat and fish, try consume less and add the little ital in it. You know, a little.
Yes, everyone. So the next stage now, look at this. Nice and simple, yeah. I just mash down the pumpkin. Look at that. Right, come in and have a look. Come in and have a look. Look at that. Look at that richness. Yeah. Yo, Wagwan people, look. We're dead down by the riverside again now. Good vibes. So look, what I'm doing right now, everybody, yeah, I'm just basically starting to create like a little stove, basically, so I can put the pot on the stove. You see there? Good vibes. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen. We're done by the riverside again, people. How you mean? Yeah, man, see the setup, yeah? Whoa, hey. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen, people. Good vibes. Good vibes. Big up yourself. We're fully active, fully outside. Good vibes. So we managed to get a fire going now, everybody, yeah? So good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision. Where we there, people? Hey! Yeah, man. Right here, so we there, people. Riverside again. Yes, everybody, as you can see, so we're fully outside again, people, yeah, by the riverside. Look at that beautiful fire. A ring of fire, and we've also put some beautiful flowers around, people, yeah, because you don't know the vibes, good vibes. Yeah, man, me there out so with Rasta David, people, yeah. Big up yourself, Rasta David.
Greetings, people. Greetings, one love.
Yes, people, so it's the next vibes again, and you don't know, so we're going, we're fully active, and we're fully the outside, riverside. Yeah, man, today, guess what we're cooking? Yes, everybody, so on the menu today, we're gonna be cooking a corn soup, people, yeah, with some yellow yam, sweet potato, them things here, people, yeah, are good vibes.
Oh, it's a mint.
Some mint.
Some lovely mint, but look on that, some renegade gardener. We would have called them a gorilla gardener come through and plant it right there, local by the riverside, lakeside, you know?
Good vibes.
So herbs right there for we naturally, you know? So any planting we can do, people, production, you know, food sustenance, get at it, plant up the food, you know? Big up Mother Earth.
Good vibes. Yes, people, welcome back. So we're here again, people. So guess what I go on today? Today we're cooking an ital sip, people, yeah, with what? This one's got a base ingredients with the corn on the cob. Yeah, man, it's a corn soup today, people, yeah, with some yellow yam, sweet potato. It's windy out here, and some pumpkin. And you know the natural thing already, people, yeah, some thyme, some garlic, some ginger, some scallion, some scotch bonnet pepper. A good vibe. See the fire here? I go and kick. So I'm just gonna peel the pumpkin, everybody, so a good vibes. So the first ingredients I'm gonna put into the pot, everybody, here is the pumpkin. So a good vibes. Yes, everyone, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just peeling the pumpkin. It's a good vibes. The pumpkin is gonna add a sweetness, but not just a sweetness, but also add a color to our pot as well, everybody. That nice red colour that we're gonna get later on is gonna be coming from the pumpkin, so our good vibes. Yeah man, big up yourself if you just come in on the journey, 24-hour kitchen. Welcome in on the journey, people. Yeah, we've recently just touched 4,000 subscribers. Big up yourself. That those of you that's been on the journey for quite some time from the start till now are good vibes. We've been traveling with the kitchen people. Now we're down by the riverside. I'm here with Ras David. Ras David is a farmer from St. Lucia, people. So big up Ras David, cause him there so with me right now upon camera are good vibes. More time when we link up, this is what's happening, people. Yeah, food I cook. Yeah man, food I have to cook, people, because we have to make sure so we eat 3 times a day. Cause if we're not eating 3 times a day, may I tell you, say your body's gonna be depreciating of the work that you're doing, and you're just gonna feel tired and drained out, and you can accumulate sickness very quicker for not putting in the right nutrients into your body, and especially organic food like this, people, that we're cooking today. Today's an organic pot, people. Yeah man, no nothing but just organic. Good vibes. Big up yourself. Alright everyone, so just peel the pumpkin. So I'm just gonna cut the pumpkin in big chunks just like that and put them into the pot, everybody. Cause later on down now we're gonna mash out our pumpkin, and our pumpkin is gonna create a nice flavor and a nice color, a good vibe. Look at that, nice big chunky pumpkin gone into the pot, everybody. Yeah, good vibes. We've got the sweet potato, we've got the yellow yam, and look. So I'm gonna add into the pot to start flavor up the pot. I'm just gonna put a Scotch bonnet pepper, and same time, because it's a simple thing, you know, people. Yeah, we're gonna start boiling the corn from early. The reason why I'm gonna boil the corn from early is to add that flavor, because it's a corn soup. So we want the corn to just be boiling in from early, because it can't mash out, it can't dissolve, nothing can do it. It's like iron inside of the pot, people. Yeah, a good vibe. So what we're putting in now is a Scotch bonnet pepper and some scallion, and now we've got the corn, everybody. So we just go and peel the corn, look, just like that, nice and easy. Whoa yo, you hear that?
More fire, more fire.
Rest the corn there. Yeah man, it's a natural outside cooking, everybody. So as you can see, our it's like a little kitchen surface I'm creating here with the trash of the corn, everybody. Yeah man, it's a good vibe. Whoa.
What we tell them, Ringo? Ital is vital.
Ital is vital.
Yes, what we say. The vegetables is elemental to our survival.
Yes,
So people, even if you're eating meat, you know, make sure put enough ital in your diet. Get enough green, enough fiber, enough fruits, enough veg, you know. Natural sugars. Eating healthy, as we say. Food is our medicine. Let food, herbs, and natural elements from the earth be thy medicine.
Right.
Fire ablaze, you know, Ringo?
Yeah man.
Yeah, man. Fire ablaze under the pot there.
Good vibe.
Yes, I like the Scotch bonnet in there. And red like the fire.
You can see David say enough corn are going in that pot.
Yeah, man, a corn soup that, innit?
Yeah, proper corn soup.
So I must corn in it. But me like how you put the pumpkin first too, you know.
Yeah.
So the pumpkin give it some, you know, some thickness and some nice
Flavor.
pumpkin flavor too.
True.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. But true, the majority is corn.
Yeah.
So you must call it a corn soup, you know.
True.
And true, the corn don't break down like the pumpkin.
Yeah.
The corn is the strongest.
Yeah man.
The most powerful, we resist against all the pressure of the fire.
Definitely.
So come like the eye, you know.
Yeah.
In the Gideon we have to stand strong,
Strong.
resist, mental, physical, spiritual well-being, my people.
Yeah man. Alright people, so look at this. We've got one bowl of corn ready to go into the pot. Good
Yes.
vibe.
And one thing about the corn, you know, Native American people,
Yeah.
them bring in a lot of the corn, you know, use it natural in their diet. from long time, you know. So my people, more natural corn we plant, more heirloom corn, more corn where is original and from natural heirloom varieties. Plant them, my people.
So yes, so we have some okra, you know, and we have more thyme, and we have scallion again. So them I got like the scallion now. Now cut up the scallion, put the scallion inside of the pot from early. Yeah.
Get all them flavors in there.
So King David.
Yes, I.
When you're fully ital, no, we're not even put no powder seasoning, no nothing, no, just straight ital.
Yes, I. Well, I love that. You know, just through I italist for a long time, Ringo.
Yeah.
25, 26 years, no meat, no fish, you know? No eggs, none of them things, you understand? So, in life, I realize man can survive with the ital, but still people, whatever you are eat, just try eat healthy and a full diet. So even if you eat the meat and fish, try consume less and add the little ital in it. You know, a little substitution from there, probably a couple days a week, you know.
Definitely,
so at least you get more fibrous food in the system, make the whole digestive tract run nice, you know.
True.
So we say 24-hour kitchen, 24-hour
kitchen.
Hey.
I'll cover back the pot now because I see it has started to slowly bubble here now. Yeah.
Yes, blessed people. See where the mint come from. What a beautiful sight. Just down by the riverside, lakeside. And see somebody come put a Renegade garden in, some lavender and some lovely mint. Yes, beauty and flowering right now, you know. So in some nice, lovely flowers. So look upon that, how by the riverside where nothing plant where you could use for your health and strength. Somebody come and plant some lovely thing when them chilling out. They can have some herbs and some aromatherapy, some tea, whatever it is. So Ringo Vision get to use it today, you know. So we give thanks for life, give thanks for this Renegade gardener, gorilla gardener, come through, bless up the place. Yeah, so more strength, my people, more blessings. Oneness, we say. Natural vibes.
Yes, everybody are good vibes right now, car. Yeah man, Rasta David has set up a tent. So we got a pop-up tent, everybody, yeah. So our good vibes. So we come out with some camping gear today as well. Yeah man, so first time we're going to set up the tent, people. You're going to see us setting up the tent, so our good vibes. Whoa! Yes, everybody, look at this. Yeah man, the thing are going right now. Good vibes. We got ingredients over there waiting to go into the pot. Good vibes. So we're gonna fill this up with some corn. When the pumpkin man I stutter out here now, because man is full of excitement right now. Everybody big up yourself. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen, cooking by the river again. Jamaican corn soup, people, yeah. Original ital thing a go on. No meat, no fish, no packet ingredients, people, yeah. Just what you see here is the flavors, people, yeah. Are good vibes. Big up yourself. Oh, yeah, man, look at this. Ah, look. So we're getting there.
We have to tell the people that it's not a pop-up tent.
It's not. No, we have to fix. You have to put in work. Not true.
You have to put in work, you know. So more time we would say it's a hard work type of thing. See it there.
But it a go on, don't?
It a go on, yes.
It a go on. A good vibes.
We are use the little landscaping building skills, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Into action to construct this one. But we will tell you more time, people. When you come, you could get the pop-up tent quick and fast.
Alright, let me give a hand.
Look at that one there, beautiful. Beautiful already. See it there.
Yes, everybody, so look at this. We're on site right now, camping, everything set up. Look at this, everybody, yeah, so look. Yeah, man, I got my sleeping bag in here. A good vibes. Yeah, man. I got extra tent as well. Bottle of water. Yeah, man. Good vibes, everybody. I can zip in as well. You see that? I can zip up. No, I'm gonna zip up here, but it's got a zip as well. Yeah, man.
We add a little bit of fuel to the fire to keep the fire bubbling, you know. So Ringo Vision set up the fire nicely, and we have to put the fuel to the fire. Get the temperature right.
That's true.
Pot off a bubble nicely. Food must eat, my people.
Wow, listen to that. Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. I'm gonna take this lid off in a second, everyone. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, man, so the pumpkin is cooking and softening up. I'm gonna add in, yeah, man, look at this, everybody. So I'm gonna add in the corn, you know. Whoa, yo, good vibes. This is a good vibes. I'm liking this, everybody. Yeah, if you like what you see, yeah, man, just tell me what you think about it. A good vibes. Whoa, look at that, everyone. Yeah, man, a good vibes. That good vibes. So what I'm gonna do now, everyone, here is just start to add in the corn into the pot, because the pumpkin is already nice and soft. So I'm putting in all the corn now one time, just to get that flavor that we're looking for. Good vibes. Alright, everyone, so what I'm gonna do now is take out the pumpkin. Good vibes. I'm just gonna put the pumpkin.
Yes. And Ringo,
Yeah.
I come with some things that not as important as the food, but a little bit, you know,
Yeah, man, a good vibe that.
of the visual therapy.
Yes, everyone, so the next stage now, look at this. Nice and simple, yeah. I just mash down the pumpkin, look at that.
Wow, beautiful.
Mash down the pumpkin, everybody, and this is gonna be the flavor and the color, the sweetness with the corn, because you know that corn is also a sweet vegetable as well, everybody. So a good vibes, look at that. So we mash it down into almost like a mashed potato, everybody, yeah. Yeah, man, look at that. That's David, I go and set up the fire, the corn's in there, and we're just gonna add back now the whole of the pumpkin into the pot, everybody. Good vibes. Alright, so look at this, everyone. So the pumpkin, nice and mash out. So I just get the pumpkin. Just look at that. Straight away, it's giving you a conversion with the color of the water, everybody. Yeah, man, a good vibes. And it's also going to create a thickness also as well. Yeah, man, you see that redness, everybody, that we're getting right now? That nice red color, a good vibes. So, yes, them I tell you come from the market, you know, David. Yeah, man, so some okra, some chocho, yeah, man, the yellow yam.
Alright, and what do you think about the market food? The market food there, better in terms of the ital quality?
The market food better for the ital quality, I reckon.
Yes,
Differently from if you're gonna grow it, or you have an allotment, or you have a link by the farm, or you have a garden, or you're in a country where you can grow your own fresh produces said way.
Yes,
Yeah, man, a good vibes.
Yeah, man, good vibes, yes. Just true, I in England for a long time, but always have an allotment in England, in the UK, you know?
Yeah.
So I always grow at least a lot of my own food.
So what kind of food you grow, David?
Well, right now growing a range variety. So in terms of food, me grow the ital, the vegetables, you know.
Yeah.
I grow salads, grow fruits like berries, you know, short-term berries and long-term berries, like, you know.
Strawberries.
Strawberries, blueberries, gooseberries,
Yeah.
all the raspberries. Try to spread them out and expand on the size and the production, you know. So
Yeah.
like your strawberries, you get your runners from them, you know, and you establish more strawberry seedlings and more strawberry babies.
Okay.
Not really seedlings, because the strawberry grow from runners, not seeds.
Yeah.
So that one you got to maintain it and establish it, take care of it like any young thing, you know. Food is life.
That's David, look here. So we are putting some greens in the pot.
Wow,
So
beautiful,
okra, churro,
beautiful.
and some more thyme.
And some more time for flavor.
Yeah, man. We just
Wonder
add
why,
them
yeah.
thing there in the pot, simple.
So Ringo, me think me give enough fire there for the pot there now. Yeah, man. Surfboard.
What's that? What's that you're whipping up there, bro?
To be barefoot, you know. Why
Yes.
you walking around here barefooted? You know what I'm trying to say?
Yes, people.
You know, like just
we got Wets on the program, people, yeah.
hey,
Big up man like Wets.
well it up, baby. Come on, we're out here. Well, we're cooking some corn soup.
Corn soup.
Ooh, watch it bubble. Watch it bubble. Wibble wobble. Hey.
Oh shit. Yeah, man, good vibes, you know. Alright, come in and have a look. Come in and have a look. Look at that. Look at that richness. Look at all this richness, everybody. Yeah, man. Good vibes. That's good. Yes, everybody, as you can see, while going, the transformation is going in the pot. That full bright red color. You can see, so we've got a proper corn soup here right now, everybody. Yeah, a good vibes. Just gonna make this go and cook down. We've got the Scotch bonnet pepper in there. We've got the okra. We've got the thyme. We've got the scallion. Yeah, man, the sweet potato, the cho. Yeah, man, the yellow yam in there. Everything's kind of more like matching, other than the okra, people. Yeah, but look at this. Yeah, man, the Scotch bonnet pepper. We're just gonna ease one of them so that we can just get the flavor going in the pot, everybody.
So you go boss it, Ringo?
Yeah, just get a look boss.
How you mean?
Yeah.
Some people afraid of that thing there, you know?
No, man, I get a look boss.
Alright.
Spice up the pot a little bit.
Hot it up, hot it up.
Yeah.
Cause I got my troops, got the crowd space jamming like Looney Tunes. Cause I see a pretty tight chilling on her own. Take her home, make her moan, let's get it on. If you want, you can talk, I put the record on. We can vacate, I'm ready to spend this damn cake. I'll put you faith, this wasn't a mistake. Each day gotta calculate the intake.
Yes, everybody, wagwan. So we come to a final completion. Come in. Alright, look at that. Wow. So we're at a final completion, everybody, yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna serve up a bowl. Look at that. Some corn. Put some corn, some broth in there. Good vibes. Yeah, man, original corn soup, everybody. Yeah, man, original corn soup. Come to a completion. Have a look at this. So take out all of that, all the time. Look at that, everyone. Yeah, man, have good vibes. Good vibes. So just get rid of all of that. Yeah, that's David. You go and hold on for this now.
Yes, how you mean? Give thanks,
Alright.
family, give thanks.
Sure.
Beautiful corn soup, beautiful corn soup. By the lakeside.
Let me get them cups to stay. Simple things now, look at that. Yes, everyone. So this one here, this yellow one here is matching the pot. Good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, man, we're fully active and we're fully outside. Jamaican corn soup people, yeah. By the riverside. Good vibes.